Imagine the smile of someone who has no one, and you being the reason their day feels brighter. Ramadan is not only about abstaining from food, it is about filling hearts with love and hope. What if one visit could change not just their life, but also increase your reward in ways you never expected? Ramadan is more than fasting. It is a month of action, kindness, and opening our hearts to others. Have you ever thought that just spending time with those in need could be one of the most rewarding acts this Ramadan? In today's advice, we will explore how visiting orphanages, care homes, and student dormitories can not only bring joy to others, but also multiply your reward in ways you may not imagine. If you want to follow daily Ramadan guidance and uplift your heart this month, subscribe to Light of IMAN so you never miss a reminder. Anyone devoted to serving Allah and willing to do good can make a real difference during Ramadan. Visiting places where vulnerable people stay, orphanages, student dormitories, care homes, is a powerful way to give back. Spend time with them. Talk to them. Listen. Share moments of joy. Even small gifts like books or necessities can make a huge difference in their day. It does not matter what religion they follow. Every act of care and attention is a form of charity in Allah's eyes. Young people in these institutions may sometimes feel abandoned. They may even doubt those around them or lose trust in people. By visiting and offering help, we can bring hope and show them that they are valued. The Prophet, peace be upon him, taught that anyone who relieves the hardship of others in this life will have some of their hardships relieved on the day of judgment. So every visit, every small act of care is an opportunity to earn immense reward while spreading love, hope, and mercy. Do not spend Ramadan passively at home. Let this month be about action, compassion, and sincere service. By embracing these opportunities, we follow the Sunnah of the Prophet, peace be upon him, and truly experience Ramadan in a transformative way. Let Ramadan be a month where we reach out, care, and act, where we share our time, our hearts, and our resources. This was day 4 of 30 Ramadan, 40 advices. Subscribe to Light of IMAN for daily guidance, heartfelt reminders, and ways to make this Ramadan your most meaningful yet. May Allah accept all our efforts and allow us to bring light and hope to those in need.